CM Bandit is our lightest and most compact 3/4 and 1.5 ton ratchet lever hoist ever. Its portable design, easy free training, and 360-degree rotating handle makes it one of the most versatile hoists on the market today. Compared to the Harrington LB and its Canadian version, the Keto L5 LB, the CM Bandit has the same handle length and very similar overall body size and weight. With a rugged yet lightweight construction and design, it is easily transported and rigged even in the most confining spaces. And the Bandit's chain and bolt-on hooks are made right here in America. It's the CM Bandit.